Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today, we are taking you into the kitchen to prepare a delicious and healthy dish together. The quinoa and vegetable salad. Perfect for combating chronic fatigue and keeping your energy up throughout the day. Let's start with the ingredients. 1 cup of quinoa. 2 cups of water or vegetable broth. Vegetables of your choice. Spinach, tomatoes, cucumbers, carrots, peppers, etc. 1 ripe avocado. Nuts or seeds, almonds, walnuts, sunflower seeds, etc. Lemon juice. Olive oil. Salt and pepper to taste. Now to the instructions. Step 1. Bring the water or vegetable stock to the boil and add the quinoa. Let it cook for about 15-20 minutes until the water is absorbed. Then we let it cool slightly. Step 2. We cut the vegetables into cubes or slices, depending on our preference. Step 3. In a large bowl, we combine the cooked quinoa with the chopped vegetables. Step 4. We add the diced avocado and nuts or seeds for a crunchy note. Step 5. We season with lemon juice, olive oil, salt and pepper, mixing well to distribute evenly. Step 6. Our dish is ready. We can serve it fresh as a main dish or as a side dish. Enjoy your meal. This salad is rich in fiber, protein, and healthy fats, providing sustained energy and helping to combat chronic fatigue. It is a perfect choice for a light dinner or a quick lunch during the week. Thank you for following this recipe with us. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, comment, and share with your friends. See you in the next video, and always remember to eat healthy and live happy. Thank you for watching this video, and always remember to take care of yourself and subscribe to the channel to stay up to date. What did you think of this video? Did you find it useful? Let us know in the comments.